Hello, my name is Chris. I'm here to talk to you about how to repair defected surfaces in situations where current repair products struggle. There are plenty of solutions available for pothole repair, ranging from hot layer materials through to cold applied repair products. But there are some situations where all of these products struggle to provide a solution. These situations need something unique to provide a simple, quality solution. This is why we have developed the PatchMaster H576, cold applied, multiple use, bitumen-based repair product. It's different to our other PatchMaster products as it has been formulated to have a very high placement adhesion, meaning it can be applied in thin applications and will not be flicked off by vehicles running over it. This means that for your repairs, you don't have to cut the edges and prime the area before applying, greatly reducing the application time. Also, it's ideal for where there is slight movement in the substrate, as the top surface cures solid, whilst the product underneath remains flexible. In addition to this, it can be applied in wet conditions, so you can be repairing defects in any weather. In this application, we are going to repair 3 different road defects, showing some unique scenarios where the PatchMaster H576 can provide quality, long-term repair. Now let's hand over to our expert demonstration team, who will run through the steps involved with this application in more detail.
The first defect here is a shallow pothole with varying depth and width, at some points tapering up to almost the level of the surface. The first step in this application is to sweep the area so it is free of any loose material, and then we have a sound substrate to apply onto. As standard practice with bitumen-based repair products, if the application is deeper than 50 mm, then the product must be applied and compacted in layers to make sure it is fully compacted through the entire depth. We have an area here deeper than 50 mm, so we fill this in first and compact it down using a punner. Now we tip out the PatchMaster H576 onto the application area. Once the product is tipped out of the bucket, we wait for a couple of seconds for the binder residue to disperse down through the mix before effortlessly breaking down and spreading out. Now we can spread out the material over the whole area, approximately 25% higher than the surface, to allow for the compaction. Before using the plate compactor, we compress the thinner areas here with a punner, otherwise the product may just get pushed along out of position. The product is now compacted thoroughly using a plate compactor. The compactor we're using here is the Ultrad Bell PC-LX320 Streetworks plate compactor, which meets the Hawk requirements for reinstatements. The dual plate system on this compactor means we can compact the material with over 1600 kilograms a meter squared of static pressure. We recommend always using one of these compactors, and especially when using the PatchMaster H576 for permanent repairs, as it will ensure the repair is rock hard on the surface and also help where it is applied in a thin lay. Once compacted, there may be some areas where a little more product is needed to create an even surface, so extra product can be applied onto these areas and compacted again. The finished surface should be slightly higher than the existing surface to allow for further compaction by vehicles over time. Now the repair is complete. For a short while after application, the surface may feel slightly sticky as it is curing. To avoid the chance of any product picking up on vehicle tyres, we can either sprinkle dry sand or simply brush some dust over the surface. In the second application here, we are using the PatchMaster H576 to resurface a large section of road which is very uneven. This application is a brilliant example of the product's high placement adhesion as the application depth is only approximately 10 to 15 millimeters, and it had vehicles driving over it within 10 minutes of compacting. The final application was another uneven section of road where there was standing water in the application area. The PatchMaster H576 can be applied straight onto this area without removing the water and will produce an equally durable repair as a dry repair. In this application, we managed to complete the entire repair and pack away within 10 minutes, demonstrating the great time saving that can be made when using this product, which will provide a durable long-term repair.
PatchMaster H576 is an ideal solution for surface repairs, particularly for use as a fast applied permanent repair, as it's very quick to apply and will provide a durable repair without the need to cut out and prime areas before application, saving a lot of time. Also be used very effectively in wet conditions. Huge wealth of knowledge can be found on our website www.meonuk.com. Data sheets, brochures and case studies are available, along with many more guides and how-to videos on our YouTube channel. If you're after any information, a demonstration or just a conversation, please give us a call on 023 92 200 606 or drop us an email, mail@meonuk.com. Thank you for watching.